When I was doing the audit for here, I asked, so this dehumidifier, how often does it run? He says, no, it runs 24/7 for 10 months in a year when the ice plant is running. Then that struck me. I'm like, no, it shouldn't be. So if that's running every day, every hour of the year, that's a big energy sucker, right? So now it doesn't run 24 hours. It only runs as needed. So we're saving a whole lot of energy from that alone. So that's a no-cost energy saving. We don't have to spend money. We just have to do this right away, and we're saving money. The county is able to fund, my position through the MCCAC as the energy manager in charge of all county facilities. So I just look for opportunities to save energy. Where are we wasting energy? When I started, one of the first things that I did was to set up an energy management team in the county. It's a team of people that make decisions about facilities that has to do with energy.
My name is Sean Murphy. I'm the facility manager here at the Scott Seaman Sports Rink located in Foothills County in southern Alberta. Everything within the facility, from the ice to the heaters to fans, motors, pumps, everything has to be working together to accomplish the ultimate goal, which is to have a nice, safe, reliable facility that's not costing you big money to operate.
So the REC program can give you funding to do energy audits. I did that here already, so we don't have to spend money on that. So the next one is the engineering study to identify the saving opportunities in terms of greenhouse gas emission and money. So MCCAC covered the funding by 50%. And if we go ahead to implement one of those measures, they will reimburse us with the remaining 50%. And recently, I presented that to our council, and they gave approval. That project alone will save us about 200 tons CO2 equivalent of greenhouse gas annually from this facility. That's equivalent to about 8% greenhouse gas emissions from all county facilities.
So that enables us to redirect funds within the facility for other projects. Could be for staffing, could be for capital projects. It helps us that way, saving money in other areas where we can redirect it into other areas.
Things have to change because of how everything we do kind of tie back to the climate and to the environment. And Canada as well has committed to reducing its greenhouse gas emissions.
We're looking at different ways to do things, and wherever we can find a way that'll help us and alleviate costs, but allow us to leave behind a bit of a legacy is something that myself personally I'm very proud of, and I know within the county it's something that we would like to accomplish.